Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a cinematic golden hour AI portrait using Google Gemini Nano Banana tool. This is a Google News AI tool that lets you edit photo instantly just by typing a prompt. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Google Gemini like this. You can access the Gemini through your browser, or you can also open the app like this. And then next, just log in with your Google account. And once you're in, just tap on create image to activate the Nano Banana, or you can also access it by tap on tools icon and then create images like this. Next, just upload the photo that you want to edit. It can be a normal selfie or a simple portrait, and then the AI will handle the lighting and mood for you. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo. And then now let's type a prompt. Before I already prepared one prompt like this. This prompt will give you a This prompt will give your photo a cinematic, moody, golden hour vibe with a balance of warm and cool lighting, and it's just like a film still. You can From here you can copy my prompt directly, or just feel free. You can also tweak the words like me, sunset, or forest to match your styles. Next, I will just copy my prompt and then go back to Gemini and then paste it. And when you're done, just tap on generate. And okay, like this. In just a few moments, you will get a stunning result that looks like a movie poster or professional photo shoot like this. Just look at this result, the lighting, the soft fogs, and that golden glow. This is literally one of the easiest ways to make your photo look cinematic without any editing apps. And okay, maybe that's it. That's how you can create a cinematic golden hours AI portrait using Google Gemini Nano Banana tools. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.